quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is
Okay guys, the time is now. Basically, it's the morning. It's 9:43 in the morning. That means we're dropping Major Key Physiques in exactly 17 minutes, and my brain is not working. I did not get much sleep last night, which I was surprised about. I thought, you know, I'm going to bed with everything done that I can, like I talked about last night. But, you know, lo and behold, it wasn't everything I could do. So I spent probably up until about 2 o'clock in the morning getting some posts ready. I prepared that video on YouTube for this morning. And what I've actually done is I've made it a premiere. So that means that a few people are going to be waiting around for it. It's going to drop right on 10 o'clock in about 15 minutes. And I think there's like 10 people waiting already. So hopefully, you know, they see the link down in the description box and they click it. I mean, that's all I can hope for. And hopefully this video will get, you know, maybe 20,000 views. I mean, that would be amazing, wouldn't it? I've got that intro in the next 2 videos after that, but what I've got to drop at 10 o'clock is my first ever swipe up story, which I hadn't organized. So I've got one for my personal page and one for my Major Key Physiques page. I've posted a picture of every single one of our products. So as you tap your way through someone's story, you'll see every single product pop up. I mean, yeah, I thought I'd done it all last night, but I hadn't. I checked the emails. I checked the mailing list this morning. I checked how many people had opened the email, and it's sitting at about 110, I think, out of like 460. So we're sitting at over 20% of the mailing list has opened that email, which is actually a really good result. I think the average is something like 15 or 10%. So we're above average with that, which is fantastic. But I would expect that because everyone that put their email address on that list wanted to know about Major Key Physiques. But one interesting statistic is that 4 people have actually clicked unsubscribe from that email. So, you know, it's all good. I understand. We've taken over 12 months since I started talking about this brand to actually bring it to market, and here we are. So I'm waiting for my daughter to come round. It is exactly 9:45. We have, can you see that? 9:45. We've got 15 minutes to go. I'm going to prepare everything. All the stock is behind me. If you've been here since the start, I want to say thank you. I had a shower before I was standing there. I had a little prayer. You know, I prayed to whatever God there is out there that they can see inside me and see the way that my heart really is. I'm not doing this for the money. I'm not doing this for the fame. I am literally doing this. I've put all of this effort in to create a life that allows me to spend more time with my kids in the future. I don't want to have to go to work from 9 to 5 every day till I'm 65. I wanted to try and design a life, you know, that I want to live, and this is part of it. So thanks for being here. 14 minutes to go. The countdown is on. I'll get back to you guys at 10 o'clock on the dot. See you soon. Alright guys, I've got to get the computer, I've got to get the, not the computer, the camera on for this one. This is exciting shit, okay? So it's 10 o'clock. I'll get this light going. It's officially 10 o'clock. I'm going to put the 2 posts on my Instagram page. I have opened the site. This video is about to premiere, which you're going to see. Let me put these on my Instagram, because we're ready to go. Fuck, I get nervous with this shit, man. I really do. My hands start shaking. I know what I need to do, my fingers don't work. It's crazy, man. That means if you're nervous like that, it means you're doing something that's important to you. Here it is, 2 minutes away. Hopefully I can get these up by the time. Okay, personal page is done. Let's go to the MKP page. Fuck, this is exciting, guys. The store's actually open. We might have made a sale already. I'll check it out. Oh my god, I'm so fucking nervous. Shit. Oh, shit, did you just hear that? I just got a freaking Shopify notification. 10 o'clock on the dot, 75.91. Okay, I got all my fucking posts up. That's all I can do. 28 seconds to go. Let's check fucking... Let's check. Oh, we got 8 visitors. 1 order. We've got 2 active carts, 3 checking out, 10 visitors, 11 visitors. Bruh, this is the moment I've been dreaming of for 18 months. I literally have, man. And we're here. Let's watch this premiere. Watch this. What do you think? Alright everybody, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to start off a little bit differently. Just this once, I have a public service announcement. MKP, Major Key Physiques, What are you gonna do?
MajorKeyPhysiques.com is officially live. It's officially open for business. 18 months of work, of extremely hard work, has culminated into this moment. If you ever wanted to support me, you wanted to support the channel, you want to support my family, head down into the description box and check out www.majorkeyphysiques.com, where you can pick up all the very best in training and leisure apparel and workout accessories. We're Australian owned, Australian based, but we ship worldwide. No country is off limits. I urge you guys to go and check out the website. If you want to check out what else we've got going on, head over to the Instagram page at Major Key Physiques, and I'll see you there.
The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is
What is up? Welcome back to another video. Today's video... Right, I'm going to get off that now. I watched the premiere, that's done. I'm going to check my analytics to see how the views go, which is what I normally do. I'll be monitoring the views on that video, I'll be monitoring the website and anything else that's going on. So we've got the views, we've got 110 views in the first 2 minutes, which is fantastic. And we've got 15 visitors right now. 16. Oh man, 18, 19, 20. 21, fuck bruh. Oi, I can't believe you're here with me, man. We did this together, we really did, you know. 20 visitors doesn't mean you're going to get 20 orders, so we'll wait and see, okay? I'm going to check back in with you guys in half an hour, 10:30. Alright, it's 10:03, we've got 27 more minutes. I'll see you soon.